Hello and welcome to MLA formatting in Word Online. This video is going to show you how to format your document according to MLA style using Microsoft Word Online. As an LACCD student, you have free access to Office 365 Pro, which includes Word Online. Let's start by navigating to the college's website, which is www.lasc.edu. From the top menu bar, click on Login, then click on LACCD Email. Enter your student email address. Then enter your LACCD password. This is the same password that you use to log into Canvas. Then click on Sign In. Use a verification method and follow the steps on the screen. Then click on Verify. Click either Yes or No to stay signed in. On the far left menu bar, click on Word. Then click on Blank Document. Give the document a name by clicking on Document on the top blue bar. Type in the name of the file and press Enter. Let's check on the margins. Go to the Layout tab, click on Margins, and make sure that Normal is selected and that the margins are set to 1 inch all around, top, bottom, left, and right. Now set up your last name and the page number on every page in your document. To do so, go to the Insert tab. Click on Page Numbers. Select top right. Type your last name and add a space. Leave this hashtag alone. This is what's going to configure the page number for every one of your pages in your document. Make sure that the font is consistent throughout your document. So go ahead and highlight your last name and the hashtag. A shortcut menu pops up. From the Font Name menu, select Times New Roman, and from the Size Font menu, select 12. To exit the header and footer area, either press the Escape key on your keyboard or click anywhere outside of the document. Now let's set the font and the line spacing for the rest of your document. Go to the Home tab and select Times New Roman from the Font Name menu and select Font size 12. Next, go to the 3 dotted ellipses for more options on the far right side. Select Paragraph Options. In the spacing area, make sure that the before is set to 0 points, after is also set to 0 points. Line spacing should be set to double, and click on OK. Now let's set up the heading for your document. Start by typing in your first and last name and then press the Enter key. Type in your professor's name, press Enter. Type in your course name and number and section if required. Press Enter. Type in the date that the assignment is due. Start with the day, month, and then the year. Then press Enter. Now let's add the title of the essay. This goes under the heading and it must be centered. To align the text to the center, from the Home tab, locate the Text Alignment tool and click on it to bring down the menu. Select Align Center. This moves the cursor to the center of the page. Then type in a meaningful title. You must follow the MLA rules for title capitalization, which include capitalizing all of the major words. Do not underline the title, then press Enter. To move the cursor back to the left margin, still in the Home tab, click on the Text Alignment tool and select the Align Left tool. Now we can start typing our essay. Press the Tab key on your keyboard to indent your paragraph and start typing. Finish typing your essay, and after you type your last paragraph, insert a page break to create the works cited page on a fresh new page. To do so, with the cursor at the end of your last paragraph, go to the Insert tab and click on Page Break. Now the cursor is on a separate page. On the new page, take a look at the location of the cursor. If the cursor, for some reason, has a paragraph indentation, just use the backspace key on your keyboard to align the cursor back to the left margin. Now we need to enter the title for this page, which would be Works Cited, and it needs to be centered. So in the Home tab, we're going to go back to the Text Alignment tool and select Center. And we're going to type in Works Cited and press Enter. Next, we're going to align our text back to the left margin. And we're going to do so again in the Home tab. Click on Text Alignment and we're going to select Align Left. Now our cursor is on the left margin. Now let's set up the hanging indentation. Still in the Home tab, we're going to go to the ellipsis for the More Options tool. Then we're going to select Paragraph Options. We're going to make sure that spacing is still set properly. The before and after are still set to 0 points and that line spacing is still set to double. Now under the indentation area, we're going to select the hanging indentation from the special menu. So bring down the menu and select hanging and click on OK. Here's an example of a properly formatted works cited page. Notice that the entries are in alphabetical order. Keep in mind, if you use a citation generator, when you paste the citations into Word Online, some of the formatting will be off. So be sure to take time to evaluate what you pasted and make sure that it's formatted and cited properly. For more information on citations, you can always go to the library's page. Go back to the college's website, which is www.lasc.edu. From the top menu bar, click on the Library button. Scroll down the page and click on the Los Angeles Southwest College Library button. From the library's website, click on Citation, located on the top menu bar. From here, you can find information on different citation styles. Here you can find rules, guidelines, and examples. You can also contact a librarian if you have any further questions. Thank you for watching our video.